Animation has a significant influence on the overall user experience of modern user interfaces. When used effectively, animation can enhance the usability, clarity, and engagement of UIs by providing users with visual cues, feedback, and context. Animation can also create a more natural and intuitive interaction between users and the UI, leading to a more positive and memorable experience. One of the main benefits of animation in UI designs is that it can help users understand how the UI works and what actions are available. For example, animation can provide feedback when a button is clicked or swiped, indicating that an action is being processed. It can also be used to help reveal where the mouse is due to the hover effects. I personally like those because I tend to lose my mouse a lot. Animation can also reveal hidden menus or navigation options, making it easy for users to explore and interact with the UI. Another example is how animation can be used to create seamless transitions between different screens or states, such as when loading a content or switching between tabs. However, it is important to strike a balance when using animation in UI design. Too much animation can be overwhelming and distracting, leading to a negative customer experience. On the other hand, too little animation can make the UI feel static and unresponsive, which can also be frustrating and potentially make you lose customers because there's nothing for them to interact with. The key is to use animation selectively and purposefully, focusing on enhancing usability and user engagement. Let's take a look at some examples of how animation can be used effectively in UI design. One example could be the Google Material Design. The framework uses animation extensively to create a more natural and intuitive interaction for both users and the user experience. For example, the ripple effect animation, when a user taps a button, provides visual feedback and indicates that an action is being processed. You're not sneaky. I hope you know this. Anyways, apologize for that. The framework also uses motion to provide context and reveal hidden UI elements, such as the floating action button. Another one that is great is the Apple the Apple phone's design. Language also makes extensive use of animation to enhance the user experience. For example, the parallel I apologize. I can't talk, I promise. Parallax effect when scrolling the home screen creates a sense of depth and dimensionality, while the spring-loaded scrolling animation creates a more natural and responsive feel. The user interface also uses animation to provide feedback and indicate progress, such as when downloading or installing apps.